Open iTunes. Then go to Store button tab. Then type tone. Then select any tone or music. Then after open QuickTime Player. Go to File, click New Audio Recording. Play any music or song you want to make ringtone, then record. Make sure recording music not more than 30 seconds. Then save with file name on desktop. Then after connect your iPhone, then before you doing anything, you can do backup your iPhone first. Select Summary checkbox. Then Manage Music and Video. Then after click Tones icon. I am trying to move file in iTunes without change name, but it does not work. Then you have to change your file name extension, .m4a, replace with .m4r. Use .m4r. Now, you can move easily your file in iTunes. Now you can see your file is here. Then click Apply. No need to syncing your iPhone. Done. That's it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.